Hello! Today I will be sharing an easy and fun die-cut rainbow card. I made 3 different versions. Stay tuned! Welcome to Altenew's Watercolor Wonders Video Hop. I'll be using Altenew's watercolor brush markers, Altenew's Simply Thank You die, the Happy Birthday die, and the Mega Hello die, which is probably my all-time favorite sentiment die. And I'll finish it off with Feathered Friends die. I love the Spring Garden colored water brush markers because they are so bright and fun, perfect for a rainbow hued card. I start by brushing water on Bristol cardstock. I use a number 18 brush. I aim for painting a 1/4 inch band of pigment, but I want variation in height, so I keep my painting loose, not precise. I proceed in rainbow order, starting with yellow, then orange, pink, blue, green, and lime. I love how vibrant Altenew's watercolor markers are. After I paint 1 row of each color, I add more water for a more diluted hue toward the top. I like the variation from the darker colors at the bottom to the more pastel-like hues at the top. The more water you add, the dreamier your panel will be. The less water results in more striated panels. Neither is right or wrong, it's just the look you are going for. So here you can see I've started the repeat process. I made 3 separate rainbow panels because we are making 3 cards today. Last year, I treated myself to a mini blossom die cutting machine. I love having a small accessible die cutter on my desk. It's perfect for most of my dies, and I also like to take it on vacation with me. Here you can see that I'm using my Happy Birthday die. Easy peasy, nice and easy. I just love the reveal after the die cutting is completed. A little tidying up here and there, and voila, you have a die cut that is ready to use. I wanted to add a little more stability and substance to my sentiment, so I die cut a duplicate sentiment from white cardstock, and then I glued the 2 sentiments together using liquid glue. I find a fine nozzle works best for thinner die cuts. This extra step doesn't take long, but I think it makes for a more premium project. Beautiful. I use a lot of foam tape, as I love the dimension that it adds. Altenew sells a big wheel called Instant Dimension Foam Tape, and that is what I use today. I cut a 3 1/4 inch white background band to showcase my colorful sentiment. Next, I used liquid glue to adhere my sentiment to my card. I used Altenew's showy Simply Thank You die on this card. I wiggle it around and eyeball the placement, and then I just weight it down for a few minutes until it's secure. I love enamel dots. They are definitely my favorite embellishment, and I used a variety on each of these rainbow cards. Enamel dots are so easy to use, and they add so much beautiful interest. Take a quick second to hit the subscribe button under this video. And here are my finished cards. 2 are made with watercolor markers, and I wanted to change things up a bit, so I used watercolor pencils for my 3rd card. But the process was the same. The watercolor pencils definitely have a different vibe, but I like the way all 3 cards turned out. I'd love to hear which is your favorite. Would you share in the comment section? I'm so happy you stopped by today, and I hope to see you again.